This 2007 Jayco J Flight 28 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, TV antenna, skylight, DVD player, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, oven, refrigerator, slide out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2007 Jayco J Flight 28 RLS is 6,598 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.